Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So today I'm here with a pretty cool video about the Microsoft Surface Duo. For those of you who are using them, you know there's not a whole lot out there in the way of keeping your phone protected, keeping it safe, or protecting the outside of it. So really about the only thing you can do other than use the Microsoft bumper, which is you can put a skin on it. And that's something I finally decided to do. Thought I'd change things up a little bit, bring back a little bit of excitement and romance into the relationship. And I got one of these cool skins for my Duo. And I actually like it quite a bit. This one right here is actually from a third-party company. Microsoft doesn't actually make these. And there are quite a few people that make them, including some listings on Amazon and some other ones that people really seem to like, and including dbrand. So I wanted to talk about it in this video as maybe kind of like an option out there and show you a little bit about what it is with these skins that you can get for your Surface Duo. And yeah, nothing too crazy. But before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Let's talk about the neat little skin for the Surface Duo. So, with this one that I got, this one actually looks kind of like an A10 Warthog or even like the old P-51 Mustang. If you're an old like airplane head guy or you spent any time in the military, you've probably seen this. Or if you like to watch military movies, I used to be in the military, so I thought, hey, this is kind of cool. I've seen different ones. I've seen the ones that dbrand has. I've seen a lot of different ones. They're all a very similar concept. What you're going to get, basically, if you go with a more reputable brand like dbrand, is you're going to get likely a warranty as opposed to just buying something. I got this one actually off of an Etsy page, and I'll link that down in the description. You can check it out there if you want to go look at it. It was less than 10 bucks. I paid for the expedited shipping so I could get it faster, and basically it's just this nice, it's not really so much a sticker. You can actually peel off the edge. It's not something that's going to leave a bunch of adhesive on your phone. It's not something that you're going to be scratching and peeling off later. It adheres on there just well enough that it stays on really well, but at the same time, it's not something that's going to be permanently attached to your phone. And that's important. I really worried about that when it came to getting a skin for any of my phones before, because I was worried that, okay, I put this on there and then I'm going to be sitting there with like rubbing alcohol and nail polish for hours trying to get the residue and the film off of this, and it's just not the case. So it was actually pretty easy to install. I thought about this after I put it on. I don't have the install footage, but it came in 2 pieces. Actually, this one came in 3 pieces. It's compatible with the bumper as well, so if you want to put the bumper on, that's fine. This one is a solid single piece that I got here that had actually a hole punch window, so you can have the Microsoft logo. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about this. You can actually leave the rest of it in there so you can see the rest of the teeth in this design or whatever design you happen to get, or you can have it where it shows the Windows logo. I opted for this because I think that it's pretty cool. And also, the reason I thought it was important to get one of these skins is not just because of the looks, but I've had this for a couple of months now, and I've noticed that it picks up dings and scratches really easily on this phone. Even though it's got Gorilla Glass on it, it gets surface abrasions and scratches and micro scratches like nobody's business. And I've actually got like a little ding here where there's a small little chunk of the plastic missing on the edge, and I have no clue how that even happened. But I was looking at it, I baby my phone tremendously, and I'm like, how do I have all these scratches all over it? So this is a nice, cheap, inexpensive way that you can preserve the life of the outside of it. It should give you a little bit of protection. This is not one of those things where it's not impact resistant, it's not mil standard drop protection rated, it's none of this stuff. Mostly it's just 90% decorative and about 10% protective, but it is a protective film, essentially is what you got on here, a decorative film. Over here on the other side, it was actually 2 pieces. I put this one on. I don't know why they had it set up this way where you put this side on as well. I don't know why they couldn't just use 1 piece. And you can see it doesn't wrap around to the edges. It doesn't cover up any of that stuff. It's just a neat little option that you can put on your phone to individualize it because, hey, there are no cases for this phone really. I mean, I don't even know if there are any. Because of this hinge and the way that the phone is, if you were to put a case on here, then it would be like, how do you close it? And definitely maybe they could put like a 2-piece on there like they do with, let's say, like the Z Flip and all that stuff. Because when you have these phones that do this, well, it's problematic putting a physical case on them. So they had a bunch of different ones. Not a bunch. They had a few with dbrand and some other like Amazon ones. I think largely They're probably okay if you pick one up. I like that they're not very expensive because that means that it's not a very, very big investment. And it's just something neat to individualize your phone as well. So now I can set it down. I don't have to worry about scratching up my phone, which I really worried about because there was no way to put it down safely. It's not like you have a phone where you've got a case on the back of it, like my iPhone case, where you can set it down safely on one side. This one, it didn't matter. You put it on one side or the other, you're going to scratch it up. I mean, there's the bumper, but I don't even like putting the bumper on here. So this is a good way to go, I think. And I mean, I've had it on here for basically 2 days. I just really wanted to make the video about it, tell you guys out there who are using the Surface Duo that there are some options out there. If you don't have one already, take a look around. Maybe it might work out for you. And it's just a neat little thing you can do to kind of church things up and make it fancy and do something a little bit different. I mean, you've been staring at the same phone for maybe up to a year now, and likely you're in for the long haul with this because, well, you like the phone. A lot of people really do like the phone, and I doubt anyone that doesn't like the phone is watching this video right now. So talking to you, it might be something that interests you, and it's very low investment. So that's all I've got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.